I glance at them when I walk by, and they're always reading clean. So for me, you know, it's peace of mind. This is Rockert Dental Studio. We're a full-service dental laboratory. We do everything from basic crown and bridge dentistry all the way up to full implant and full mouth rehabs. We manufacture here on site everything from hand-poured artisan products to CAD/CAM, milled and designed products using cutting-edge technologies. Dental laboratories are inherently dusty. It's just part of the process. It's what we do. We are pouring stones. We are grinding on porcelains and zirconium oxide, creating dust constantly. We use suction ports to try to capture this, but it just is never enough. So when we were researching air, we decided, you know, we do have the equipment side of the situation. We can increase longevity of our equipment and wear by keeping clean air around our expensive equipment. But the real reason that I dipped into this arena was my people. Giving and being able to offer a clean air working environment for technicians working 8+ hours a day is an additive that no other lab's doing. And if you want to keep and recruit the best technicians, you need to offer them the best working environment that you can. But the best part for me is knowing that my technicians work in the cleanest environment available, and they're like family to me, so it needed to be done.